from all the amazing online courses and amazing content that you've been putting out for decades, if there is one thing that you want people to get from all of that, what is that?
I just want to get people where they are, right? So, like, it depends on what they're reading. If they're reading the Millionaire booklet, it's one thing. If they're reading Sell or Be Sold, it's something else. I think if they were to get one thing, it's they can be better. They can be great. Everybody can be great. If I can make it in my, as offensive as I am. I mean, I'm the guy with the T-shirt that says, "Hey, I apologize in advance." So, if I can make it, I have not collaborated with other people. I didn't come from money. I had no connections. I have refused to not be myself, and yet somehow I made it. And so the one thing is if you just don't quit, if you refuse to quit, you will not fail. I've just held on to that the whole time. And if I just don't quit and then keep learning, because not quitting means I don't just keep trying the same thing over and over, beating on the same door. I need to maybe research some other ways to get in.